Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Google Sitekit and Google Analytics 4. So first of all, we search for the Sitekit. I'm going to install this one. And then we will activate the Google Sitekit. Now let's set it up. Click on Start Setup. Then connect your Google Analytics as well so that you can get the Google Analytics details and just sign in with Google. And make sure you have sign in with your relevant email ID so that you can set up your Google Analytics on that email. Now I'll use this one. Click on continue again. And then click on continue again. Now let's verify our ownership of the website, which is Creative Brains UAE in this case. Now click on allow. And then we will be also setting up the Google Search Console through this one. So let's click on setup. Now in the last step, we will be setting up the Google Analytics. So click next. Now it will ask us to set up a website. So we will use set up new account. In this case, we will use Creative Brains as the account and use the domain name as property, same as that for WebStream, and the country will be UAE. So we will choose UAE from the list and now click on create account. Now select your email address. Click on continue. Click on continue again. Let's wait for it to finish. Now select your country from the list and click on accept to click on I accept, and then click on this one as well. There are two of them. Then we will click on, these are all optional, and just click on accept, and that's it. Your Sitekit has successfully created Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and your website is connected with Google Analytics and Search Console as well. And there you go. You can see the dashboard from this one. You'll start seeing the data after a while. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.